Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another review for you. This thing is going to help you stay active without even having to visit the gym. This is the Topcher T6 treadmill. Let's get it unboxed and let's show you how it works in real life.
In here.
So as you can see, guys, there's not a lot to it at all to put it together. If I can do it, so can you. It's easy peasy. And remember, guys, most people don't fail at fitness because they don't care. They fail because it's inconvenient. So the real question is, what if staying active was always available at home? So anyway, once you're in position, you just switch it on. You're ready to go. There's no complicated setup, no learning curve. It's literally designed for instant use. So we've got multiple control options. You can use the buttons on the machine itself or with the remote that's included. Also, there is an app for Bluetooth control, so you're definitely not stuck just using it one way. I love the fact that you've got this big display at the bottom here that tracks your calories, the time that you've been on the machine and your speed. You've got your plus to increase the speed, you've got your minus to decrease the speed, you've got your stop start, you've got your programs, and of course not forgetting the emergency stop if needed. Exercise doesn't have to be boring, as you've got a little holder that comes with this machine so you can stream and watch your favourite things online while you get fit at home. Under the hood, the TP6 is powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor. It's not too loud either. You have your adjustable handrail, so you can set it to your height. This treadmill can hold up to 300 pounds, so it feels stable and grounded while you're on it. And it definitely isn't a toy, guys. It's a proper piece of home fitness equipment. It's best suited for walking or light jogging. You can easily stay on this thing for longer sessions without it feeling harsh or unstable. One of the standout features is the incline adjustment. You've got multiple levels, including 1%, 6%, and even up to 12% incline. And that completely changes the workout. Flat walking feels easy and relaxed. But once you increase that incline, it feels like you're hiking indoors. So overall, you may be asking, who is this made for? It's not designed for sprint athletes or heavy running workouts, but for getting your daily steps in, fat loss, just general exercise, then this is perfect. So overall, the Topcher TP6 treadmill does exactly what it's designed to do. It gives you a simple space saving, active at home without turning your living room into a gym. It's compact, easy to move around, and obviously has multiple control options, which is great, and a very strong motor for walking or light jogging. If this is something that you're interested in looking for without having to go to the gym and all that hassle, and want to exercise in your own home without all the hustle and bustle, then this could be for you. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, guys. Check it out if you're interested. And that's that for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.